Hey everyone, today we're diving into WAN 2.1, one of the most powerful AI models for generating stunning videos, all inside ComfyUI. Whether you're new to AI video generation or a ComfyUI Pro, this guide will walk you through how to install WAN Video Wrapper, download the necessary model, and create jaw-dropping results. Let's get started. If you liked the animation video you just saw, then let's begin our journey. We're going to show you how to generate image to video using the WAN 2.1 model in ComfyUI on your local machine. Since WAN 2.1 requires high system resources, we'll be using the quantized version for better performance. Before you install, you should install the Git to allow you to download the required file quickly. So you should download the Git. After that, then first you should open your command prompt, then navigate to the custom nodes folder in your ComfyUI directory. Clone the WAN Video Wrapper Repository by running this command. Next, install the required dependencies. If you're using a standard Python installation, run this command. If you're using ComfyUI Windows Portable, execute this command within the ComfyUI Windows Portable directory. Now let's download the required models. First, visit the model link page. You'll also find the Hugging Face model link in the description. Click the link to access the download page and get the necessary model files. For this demo, we are using the following models for WAN 2.1 VAE and text encoder. Once downloaded, place each file into its respective folder in your ComfyUI setup. Once everything is installed, restart ComfyUI to apply the changes. Let's use WAN 2.1 in ComfyUI. We already have a workflow from the WAN Video Wrapper example, so all you need to do is drag and drop the workflow into ComfyUI. If you see any red boxes, that means some nodes are missing. Don't worry, just go to the manager in ComfyUI to install the missing nodes. Once confirmed, the ComfyUI manager will automatically handle the installation for you. Afterward, restart ComfyUI and the red boxes will disappear. From there, you can upload your image and enter your prompt in the prompt box. Keep the original settings, but feel free to adjust the video duration if you need a longer video. Once ready, click Execute, and WAN 2.1 will work its magic, turning your image into a stunning video. Let's see WAN 2.1 in action. I've uploaded a prompt with a fairy lady, and the results are stunning. The fairy lady is perfectly aligned with my prompt, with wind blowing through her hair and her wand moving gracefully. It's exactly what I envisioned. Next, we'll try a few more images step by step, creating the necessary video clips. Afterward, we'll compile everything into a video editor to bring the story to life. Let's check out the final result. And that's it. With WAN Video Wrapper and WAN 2.1, ComfyUI gives you full control over AI-powered video generation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI content. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you'd like to generate next.